Geological time scales of fossils. Measuring time. The geological time scale is a record of the life forms and geological events in Earth history. Scientists developed the time scale by studying rock layers and fossils worldwide. Radioactive dating helped determine the absolute division in the time scale. Giving time a name. The largest sections are called eon. Eon are divided into era. Era are divided into period. Period are divided into epoch. Eon. Largest most general division of time. Two eon. Cryptozoic eon and Phanerozoic eon. Precambrian and Phanerozoic eon both consist of three era as shown in the figure. Each eon is broken up to era. Major era in Earth history are Archean, Proterozoic, Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic. Cryptozoic eon lasted from 4600 million years ago to 540 million years ago, oldest and longest. Simple organisms such as bacteria, algae, protozoan was born. Oldest rock that we know were found in this eon, which dates to about 3.5 billion years old and divided into two eras, Proterozoic era and Archean era. Archean era lasted from 4600 million years ago to 2500 million years ago. Earliest plant such as marine algae was developed. The first bacteria came to exist. The oldest rocks were found in this era. Proterozoic era lasted from 2500 million years ago to 540 million years ago. Marine invertebrates were probably common, few with shells. Glaciation took place in this era, probably worldwide. Phanerozoic era began from 540 million years ago and is still continuing today, divided into three eras: Paleozoic era, Mesozoic era, and Cenozoic era. Paleozoic era began 500 570 million years ago and ended 250 million years ago, divided into six periods. For the first time on Earth, organism has hard parts such as shells, exoskeleton. Evolution and development of pteridophytes, amphibians, reptiles, fishes, wing-bearing insects, etc. Mesozoic era lasted from 250 million years ago to 65 million years ago, popularly known as time of reptiles, divided into three periods: Triassic, Jurassic, Cretaceous. Dinosaurs, mammals, and gymnosperms appeared. Cenozoic era from 65 million years ago to present days, divided into two periods: tertiary and quaternary. Development of modern mammals, angiosperms, and human beings. Important periods in the history of Earth. Carboniferous period. It lasted from 360 million years ago to 300 million years ago. It is an important period of Paleozoic era. During this period, first reptiles and pteridophytes were formed and coal plants got spread. The dead bodies got buried in this period, forming the coals that we use today. Permian. It lied between 300 million years ago to 250 million years. It is an important period of Paleozoic era. Largest mass extinction happened in this period. Jurassic. Jurassic is an important period of Mesozoic era. It lasted from 250 million years ago to 200 million years ago. During this period, first birds and mammals were formed. Gymnosperms were dominating plants. The dinosaurs were formed in Triassic period, reached at the peak in this period. Cretaceous. It is a period of Mesozoic era which lasted from 150 million years ago to 65.5 million years ago. It marked the end of Mesozoic era and the beginning of Cenozoic era. All the dinosaurs and the half of the other animals and plants went extinct in this period. Scientists think an asteroid hit Earth, the dust clouds blocked out the sun. As a result, plants died, then herbivorous, then carnivorous. Quaternary period. It is a period of Cenozoic era, which have been lasting from 1.8 million years ago to present days. In this period, the humans evolved as the more intelligent creature on of Earth and took over. It is divided into two epochs, namely Pleistocene and Holocene.